Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we're going to talk about how you can share your real time location on Google Maps. So, for this one, what you're simply going to do is go to your Google account. Oh, not yet sharing. Go to Google Accounts or your Google account right here. So, this is my Google account. Now, what you want to do is go to People and Sharing right here. So if you scroll down from here, you can see this location sharing. So I'm currently not sharing my location, my real-time location with anyone on Google, but here's how you can do it. So, uh, the way you want to do this is, you want to, location sharing lets you share your real-time location from your devices with people that you choose. So for this to work, you need to have Google, or you need to let Google to have some access to your location settings. So maybe on your phone, your laptop, or tablet. And then afterwards, you're gonna want to go to Google Maps. And then from there, you can just type on or click on your profile or your initials and then click on location sharing and then share it with people that you love or people you care about, and they can also share it back with you. Now, from there, this will trigger this, and from here, you'll be able to see wherever they are currently located or situated, as long as, take note, they have internet access. Because if they don't, then it won't be real time. But still, you can see where they have been and where they are currently going. But that's if they have opened up their internet connection. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And of course, follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.